We are going to see about security in Express.js. Securing your Express.js application involves implementing various security measures to protect it from common vulnerabilities such as cross-site security, cross-site request forgery, SQL injection, etc. Here are some security practices you can implement in your Express.js application. We can use helmet middleware. Use the helmet middleware to set various HTTP headers to secure your Express application. Now I am going to show you code how to do that. First const express equal to require express const helmet equal to require const cookie cookie parser const section equal to require express section const rate limit equal to require express rate limit mongoose equal to require mongoose const multer equal to require multer const path equal to require path we want to install all these packages const app equal to express and then we want to set up a filter for file uploads const storage equal to multer dot disk storage destination function request file cv cb null uploads comma file name function request file cv cv should be null file dot field name plus date dot now path dot ext name file dot original name. Next const upload equal to mulder storage, and then we want to use helmet middleware for basic security measures. App dot use helmet. Next want to use body parser. App dot use body parser dot url encode extended false extended true. App dot use body parser dot json. Next we want to use cookie parser middleware to parse cookies. App dot use cookie parser. Next we want to use express section middleware for managing section data. App dot use section secret and resave false. Save uninitialized true. Next we want to rate limiting middleware to protect against brute force attacks and DDoS attacks. For that, const limiter equal to rate limit window ms 15 into 60 into 1000, which is 15 minutes. Next, max 100, which is limit each IP to 100 requests per Windows MS. Next, app dot use limiter. Next, we want to connect MongoDB. After that, we want to define a mongoose schema and model for user. Const next we want to now I am going to code Now I'm going to create a route to serve the form for upload files. App.get slash request comma response rest.send file path.join direct name comma index.html. Next, I want to create a route to handle file upload. App.post slash upload upload dot single file comma request comma response rest dot send file uploaded successfully. Next, to start the server, app.listen 3000 console log server is running on HTTP localhost port, and then I want to create an index.html, and then I want to create a form for file upload, and then I want to create h2 file upload, and then I want to create a form. Action should be upload, and a method should be post, and the entire should be multi-part form data. And then I want to create an input of type is should be file, and name also should be file, and id is also file. Next, I want to create a button, and it should be upload, and button type should be submit. If I save this and if I run, node index, I'm sorry, this should be of 3000, and if I save this, node index. Now if I click this, if I click on open, and if I upload, see, I am getting file uploaded successfully. Now using the helmet, we have created a security for our code. See the image which I have uploaded, I am getting in the upload using backend. Thank you.